What's up, everybody? It's dinner time. So another day's gone. Let's get our meal in and enjoy. That's good. That's really good. I want to thank Nino. I hope you're watching, Nino. Thank you for this evening's recipe. Not really recipe, but she gave me the idea. So thank you, Nino. That's good. The whipped cream cheese, smoked salmon, green onions. Perfect. So good. I don't want to leave you guys without telling you another story. Not so much a story, but a way of thinking. This is so good, by the way. You've got to try it. It goes something like, if your moorings are shallow, the storms will wreck you. And what that means is, if you base your life on things, I gotta have the right dress, I gotta have the right vehicle, the right company. Those things come and go. And that's what you're basing your life on. It's very shallow. And the storms can wreck you, like if you don't get your way. Like, I've been working so hard to get this thing, this object, so people would be impressed. And it doesn't work out that way. Well, that's the storm. It just wrecked you. Life's not going your way, whatever. So I think to base your life, like, it's okay to have those things, but you need to have building character, self-esteem. Like, I never understood self-esteem. You can't build self-esteem if you don't do esteemable things. So a way to build a self-esteem is to go out and make yourself worthwhile. Go out and help other people. I mean, do what you can. Volunteer, help others, get some good self-esteem. Know that you're worth something. And like, I never knew the difference between like and love. I had a tough time figuring them out, because there's things that I like, things that I love. And there's people I like and people I love. And there's people I love that I don't even like. So, just to sort those things out. I had a bad relationship with my parents, my brothers and sisters, but I love them. I just didn't like them at the time. So, you know what I mean? So you got to work through those things and know what's worth it. And don't go chasing after things you like and ignore or take advantage of or neglect the things you love. So I think that's what I'm trying to say. Like, I know just doing the right thing on a daily basis, helping others, and put yourself out there, and realize that people accept you for you. You don't have to show off with fancy cars or nice clothes or jewelry or women with all this makeup. I mean that's all false advertising, and I'm not talking about the women. I'm talking all of that. If you need to have a fancy car to feel good, you're not feeling anything inside. So, and it's okay to have a nice car. I mean, work hard, get a nice car, but do the other things too. Go out there and work on your relationships. Work on your relationship with yourself. Be good to yourself. Understand yourself. And the better you understand yourself, your emotional states, you can now apply that better to the loved ones around you. And if you get all those things in order, you can wake up and you know that you did everything you can do. You're in the right place. You're doing what you're supposed to be doing. You're where you're supposed to be. And then you go out and just be of maximum service to everyone around you. If you're sleeping late because it's not worth it, you want to get every bit of sleep to yourself because you're, you don't know why. Why would you go to bed extra early so you can get up extra early to get to work on time? You hate that job, you know what I mean? And that's the way I used to look at life. But today it's like I made a commitment to the job. The least I can do is get to bed early so I can get up on time. So I'm not late. So I'm not rushing. And when I'm late and rushing, everyone's getting in my way and everyone's on my nerves, That's what I mean by being a good person. Doing the right thing. And be courteous and kind, especially to strangers. Be courteous and kind to somebody you don't like. And that sounds bizarre. And I've done it myself. And you get rewarded. You just feel so good about yourself. So trying, I believe, is doing. You know what I mean? Like, try to be a good person, and you're doing it. And nobody's perfect at it. And you can ask for forgiveness at any time. And at the end of the day, what I like to do is, where did I go wrong? I like to take an inventory. Where did I go wrong? How did I mess up? I got to admit it to myself and expose that. You know what I mean? Like, why was I irritable? And why did I take, my anger out on somebody that didn't deserve it? I got to figure all these things out and try to make them right. And if I can, apologize to the person I offended or whatever, I'll do that. And but more importantly, I got to figure out why, so I can stop doing that. I can change myself and I can grow. So I think that's what I'm getting at. My early years in life were all about that shallow mooring. Like, I had nothing substantial. I thought things were gonna make me who I am, and I was wrong. And today I try to put down solid roots, solid mooring, so I can withstand the storms. So that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time. I gotta get back to this dinner. So good. Thank you, Nino. By the way, this is smoked salmon. These are green onions. And these are croissants. And that cream cheese is whipped Philly cream cheese. It's the best. So, again, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye, for real.